Here we go. It's Tuesday. You know what that means. We have some more 360 match racing footage for you guys today. If you're having any trouble viewing it, check your browser on your desktop and make sure it's Chrome or Microsoft Edge or another compatible browser. And if you're on mobile, make sure you're in the YouTube app. That just helps a little bit because sometimes the browsers mess it up. I don't know, but we did get some people saying they couldn't click around and use the 360 footage like it's supposed to be used. So, without further ado, enjoy the video.
Okay, stand by for 5 minutes. In 3, 2, 1, 5 minutes. $30 seconds to entry. Okay, I am blue. I am boat number 5. 7 seconds. I am late to entry. You are yellow and you are boat number 6. And you are super slow. There's a big hole there. Plus the current is going out. So it's setting you down along the line. That was entry 10 seconds ago. Blue 5. It's going to be pretty even. And I have come down. I am port give. I have entered, you have entered. You are coming up and attacking. I am port give. I am avoiding. I'm avoiding nice and early. I'm showing my side to you. You have a decision to make. Luffing, tacking, ahead right, starboard. Soon to be lured right. I'm still moving. You're coming in to get it a little bit closer here. No chance of steel balls. I think you should probably stop. Okay, stop the boat. Should not have put it in reverse at the umpire. Lured right. Typical dial-up. Wind for once. The line is square. 245. Both boats head to wind. Don't think either one was tacking. Doesn't really matter. You are advancing. At some point, I'm going to be talking about backing my jib and coming down. Nope, you're closing the gap. 215. This is a nice and gentle pre-start. I'm starting to hedge. You're turning as well. A little bit of a right shift, I think. I think I can clear. I think I can clear. Am I gonna go for it? No. There's a puff on the right. Looks like a right shift more. 140. Trash talking is commenced. Okay, at this point, 112, we're both getting on the edge of late. The puff is coming in from the right, on the right. You're going to have advantage of that. If I were you, I'd just go for it. There we go. I am windward give. I don't know if I can clear your balls. I don't think I can. You can just hold me up again. Maybe go for one more stuff up and then go for it, or maybe not. 44 seconds. I am a stern give. Wind is shifted right. Boat is favored. Probably clear 1.5 meters, 2 meters. No problem on swinging. 28 seconds. Headed back. I am trying to go for the hook. At this point, you have no problem jiving onto starboard. I am port give. I am port give. 14 seconds. I am shut out unless I go behind. I try to roll you. Maybe 8 seconds. We're gonna find out. You can prevent me from starting if you wanted, but you're not going to. I am windward give. I am blue. I am windward give. It's all on me. It's all on me. Do not have contact. The first. You did not have to avoid. Could have Hollywooded that a little bit more. Still, you won the start. And all clear.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope that you enjoyed that video and learned a thing or two. If you did, comment in the section below what you learned, what you liked about the video, or what you didn't like. We're open to positive criticism. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications button so you don't miss another Cocktail Breeze video. Also, tune in this weekend, 1 p.m. Eastern, Saturday, for the Weekend Workshop series. Dawn Riley is doing a book club on Maiden. This is the Sony Classics documentary that was made about her and the first all-female team to race around the world in the 1989-1990 Whitbread race. Watch the video before and write down your questions. There's a link to the Amazon Prime page below and a link to sign up for the book club. We hope to see you guys there, and in the meantime, we'll see you next time on the Cocktail Breeze.